Welcome to our video on the Ultimate Motivation Showdown. Today we're exploring two of the most influential theories in business history, Maslow's hierarchy of needs and Herzberg's two-factor theory. We'll examine how they compare and which one really works. What really drives people to work hard? Is it the security of a steady paycheck or the desire for respect and recognition? Let's take a look at the two greatest theories in business history to find out. First, let's dive into Abraham Maslow's 1943 hierarchy of needs. This theory suggests that humans are driven by 5 distinct levels of needs, and you generally cannot advance to the next level until the previous foundational ones are secured. At the base of Maslow's pyramid are the lower needs. Physiological needs, like food and shelter, translate to a base salary. Then there's safety, covering job security and health insurance. Without these, employees are essentially in survival mode. Once those are met, we reach the peak, higher needs. These include social belonging, esteem through recognition and titles, and finally, self-actualization, which is the drive to become the best version of yourself. Now let's introduce a plot twist. Frederick Herzberg. In 1959, after interviewing hundreds of professionals, he made a startling discovery. The opposite of dissatisfaction isn't satisfaction, but simply no dissatisfaction. Herzberg called these hygiene factors. They don't necessarily motivate you, but if they're missing, like fair pay or safe conditions, you'll likely quit. Think of it like brushing your teeth. It doesn't make you superhuman, but neglecting it causes disaster. On the other hand, Herzberg identified, quote, motivators. These are the true drivers of performance. Elements like achieving challenging goals, receiving recognition, and having creative freedom are what create genuine job satisfaction. They do differ, however. Take money. Maslow sees it as a powerful motivator for status and needs. Herzberg views it strictly as a hygiene factor. It prevents dissatisfaction but doesn't inherently make someone love their work. Another difference is the target audience. Maslow's theory is designed to explain human behavior in general, while Herzberg's research is focused specifically on the workplace and professional environment. To summarize, as a manager, use Herzberg's hygiene factors to provide fair pay and stop complaints, and use Maslow's higher needs to provide the respect and challenges that make your team fly. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more business content.